Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I will provide one of the very important updates that is related to interview invite GNQT. So recently students have got the mail, and besides that I will also talk about the preparation strategy. So this is the mail students are getting. Congratulations on clearing NQT hiring test process. As the next step, you are required to undergo an in-person interview based on your preferred locations. The interview data will be communicated, interview detail will be communicated shortly. So you have to just fill some of the details there, okay, about the CTDT number, about the resume and all those stuff. Again saying friends, whenever you are uploading the data, now make sure to have updated resume, and before applying or before giving all those details, must check twice, because if you will give any wrong detail, then it might create problem in further process. So that's the thing I want to tell. So must comment whether you got or not. So currently the candidates who have given exam on 20th and few candidates from the 21st of March they are getting. So this is a good thing from TCS that they are reverting so fast. Means just you can see just within a week they are reverting the people about the interview. Okay. Another mail some of the students are getting that is related to this TCS interview invite GNQT. We are happy to inform that you have been shortlisted for TCS and GNQT, and based on your test performance. So date of interview 30th March 2026, and this is the reason that is the TCS Deccan Park near Rai Durga. Okay, so these are the thanks, and also students are getting related to survey for next step. So congratulations on clearing NQT hiring test process. Friends, you might getting the other kind of mail, so don't get confused. This is just confirmation of your interview, and related to the schedules and all those stuff, you will get the update soon. Now the person having doubts that result, so yeah, result have been declared, and those who have been selected only they are getting the mail to fill the form. So earlier video I already said that they are doing just to reduce the server load. Okay, and that is the thing, because earlier what happened, everyone used to upload the resume and all those stuff, and students are now getting the update. Okay, so whenever next update will came, I will provide update here. Now talking a little bit more about the interview, friends, take the interview in a very good way. Okay, if you want, you can have a mock interview with us. Okay, and the things which I want to tell, that you should focus on the resume. Whatever the things or you are providing in your resume, you should be clear cut idea what you are giving, because they're gonna ask all those details from your interview. So don't give any single point that will affect your, you can say, interview, and that will reduce your selection chances. That's the thing I want to tell. And if you need any preparation material and any help, just join our WhatsApp Telegram group. I've already shared lots of material there. Also we recently uploaded video related to interview, and soon interview experience for some other candidates we will upload. Currently we have already uploaded the interview experience of one of the candidates, and that was 30-minute video. So those who have interview, I will suggest go through that video. I will attach that video in the description too, so you can just go through it and you will get idea that what are the level of the questions they are asking and the things you gonna do it there. Okay, so there might be technical MRHR at the same time, or there might be some separate section, so that depends completely on the TCS and the locations. And talking about the questions, that you have to prepare your introduction very well, and the project which we have mentioned about the tech stacks we have means written down, and especially if you are from the CS background, OOPS concept is very important. Okay, you should be have clear cut idea about what is OOPS concept. You know the 4 pillars: abstraction, polymorphism, inheritance, another. So they're gonna ask for sure this question from this domain, and if you have some ML and other project, then just go through all those stuff. They might ask some coding questions which you have to write just on paper, not on laptop or PC. Just mean they will try to check your logic, that whether you are able to completing this nut, and based on that only you will basically shortlisted for the further profile, like digital or prime, whatever the profile they're gonna give you. Currently they haven't clear that whether they are basically taking the TCS Ninja or not. So whenever any update came, I think it will be there, not for 2024 and 2025, but 2026 I think it will be there, but not any official confirmation yet. Whenever it will come, I'll provide update. So hope this video informative to you. All the best to the candidates who have interview further, and if you want to schedule mock interview, just schedule with us. We will provide dedicated feedback and guidance which will increase your selection chances. We already provided lots of selections in the TCS, Wipro and other companies. So if you want, you can go and jinka exam further. All the best. Thank you.